Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Musa Macele and Macele are proud parents after their daughter Abongwe has joined the UKZN's girls soccer team, you guys. Musa shared how proud he is of Abongwe for joining the team. Abongwe is loved by many, including myself, for her loving and bubbly personality. Congratulations to her for making mom and dad very proud of her. This is what Uba Macele wrote about this beautiful moment, you guys. He said, and I quote, "Congratulations, Abongwe Macele, for representing the Macele's on the KZN girls soccer. I, as your father, am so proud of you. The entire family salutes you with those KZN's cool colors. Your grandmother Fleur is shining down on you from heaven, and my mother, your grandmother Joyce nes'thembu Macele. Congratulations to you, Abongwe." Please, guys, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.